I'm about to climb along the bottom of this plane, from one wing to another, with no ropes or safety harness. This is the first time anyone has ever attempted climbing a route on a flying plane. Once the glider reaches the correct altitude, I'll get out of the cockpit and climb along this wing. From here I'll turn around and climb back under the plane to the other side. For the final move I have to pull myself on top of the wing to complete the route. But before I can try the route in the sky, I need to try it on the ground. This is the first climbing route built on a plane, and the holes were actually produced and constructed by my father.
We estimate the biggest problem will be very cold temperatures at 3,000 meters, around -10 degrees. His hands will be frozen. It's hard to decide how long he will keep them warm. Since you are used to climb in Norway and in cold conditions, but -10 is different than 0 or -3.
Yeah.
We are going to time his ascent, so we have a certain idea how long it will take. Start. All the tests we are conducting now are just informative. In the air, everything will be totally different. First of all, everything will be moving. Second of all, his weight will be also moving the plane.
As the plane moves, I will experience positive and negative G-forces, meaning at any point during the climb I could weigh up to 20 kilos more or less than my normal weight. This route is harder than an 8A on a grading scale, meaning that only less than 10% of climbers can actually do it on the ground.
50.
I'm gonna be attempting it 3,000 meters up in the air.
Finish. 1 minute, 7 seconds.
I've completed the route on the ground. Now it's time to see if I can do it while the plane is in the air.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you again, man.
Yeah, no.
Cool. This is Evert. He's gonna be my pilot for the project. How is the first flight gonna go for us?
To be honest, I have no idea. I'm concerned a little bit about opening the canopy in the air. We never did anything like this before. When you are on the wing, it will be very hard for me to control the glider. Nobody knows how it will go.
I think we're set, yeah. So, let's go. I'm gonna go for my first attempt. I've done all the preparation I can. The only thing left to do is climb the route in the sky.
Okay. You're ready? Yeah. Ready? Good. Let's start. Okay? And we start. It goes. Sind gerade 1 Meter, 1,5 Meter.
I've seen him falling.
That was an unsuccessful attempt. Let's reset for another one.
It's cold out there. I couldn't feel the fingers anymore. It's actually much harder than on the ground. When you come out and with 100 km/h wind, it's crazy.
In very cold conditions, you don't have a good feeling what you are holding. If you can't hold on, you fall.
Okay, let's go for the attempt 2.
Yeah.
Domen is very used to cold. He can train at -5 without problem. For him to struggle so much, it must have been very cold. Oops.
Felt like actually harder than before. The problem is the wobbles of the plane. At some points I was feeling like I'm gonna get ripped off. The forces are so much harder, it's crazy.
Now I'm really getting a little bit nervous.
Super good. Let's go again.
He doesn't have so many tries anymore.
Let's go for the attempt 3.
It was tougher than I expected this time. I had a hard time to even know where I'm going. It was strange, man. I don't know. I felt further off than the first try. Doubts are coming in. It's basically every try is random. You feel like you got it, but then something new surprises you.
He always liked to do crazy things, and I believe that's why he started to climb. Just a matter of will and a matter of goal. The fears can be always removed if you have a real goal.
So good, man. So epic, it's insane.